Hi, welcome to the Wooden Spoon powered by Vandevi and Vaidehi Hing. This is Chef Nupur Varma. Today's recipe is a Christmas special, a candy cane fudge. I hope you enjoy this recipe. I'm going to heat some condensed milk. And some white chocolate and allow this to melt. My chocolate is almost melted. We've got a nice smooth mix. I've switched off the heat. To this, I'm going to add some mint essence. Give it a good stir. Next goes in a few drops of green color. And some crushed candy cane candy. I'm going to give this a stir, but in a marbled effect. We don't want it completely mixed. You can mix red and green color both. I'm going to spoon this into my cups. You can even layer this out in your trays, set it and then cut into squares. I'm going to top my fudge with little crushed candy cane. And allow this to set for a couple of hours. So that's our delicious candy cane fudge. I hope you make this recipe and enjoy your festive season. Thank you.